Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on professional account on Instagram. So from open up your Instagram, tap on your profile card, bottom right corner, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, and then you scroll down to account types and to tap on it. And then you can see the first option, switch to professional account, tap on it. And then with your professional account, you get access to tools such as insights about your followers and account performance, new contact options and more. Tap on continue. You get to learn about your followers and see how your posts are performing. Tap on continue. You get to reach more people through ads created on Instagram and build a community. Tap on continue again. You get new contacts option. You can add a contact button to your profile to make it easier for people to get in contact with you. Tap on continue again. Then you have to choose a category that best describes you to help people find an account like yours. You can change this at any time. You can also search a category. Let's say I'm going for editor. Tap on editor. Tap on done. It will take up to 30 seconds to finish this. Now we have business. Building category that selected, you may be into business. You can change at any time. So I can choose business or creator. So I'm choosing this. I'm opening a professional account on business. Creator, tap on creator. So I want on business. Then you put in your email address, your contact address. You can put your business again, Instagram, what you call it, stuff. You can also decide to display your contact info by tapping this on, which means your contact info makes it easier for people to email, call, or take an action from buttons that will appear in your profile. You can display or hide at any time, and then tap on next. You can also connect to Facebook. If you connect to Facebook page, it will allow you to share Instagram posts on Facebook and use features such as ads and shopping tools. If you don't want this, simply tap on skip. If you want to tap on login. The next one, then you complete your steps. You have 8 steps. Make sure you complete each and every one of the steps by tapping on it and doing it, following the prompt. And once you're through, that's it. You set up your professional account. It's as simple as that.